When it comes to ocean acidification and climate change, issues such as sea level rising and ocean warming generally face a lot of focus on our polar ice caps and cooler regions, such as Alaska. In the United States, however, there are areas that are in danger of the effects of global climate change and ocean acidification. The Chesapeake Bay borders many cities and towns along Maryland and Virginia. One area that could face larger issues due to this is Annapolis, Maryland. Due to warmer temperatures, salt water in the Chesapeake will expand. This expansion already affects a currently sinking Maryland coastline. It is even forecasted that an increase as much as 2.1 feet in the Chesapeake Bay by 2050. By the end of the century, that number could be 3.7 feet higher, according to scientists. Maryland coastlines such as Annapolis and towns are home to many people. Solutions to combat a global event such as this is hard, especially from a local level. Maryland County government and other state departments have engaged communities to help with this issue. Stormwater waste management policies and studies are being evaluated to help prevent potential disaster locations, including financial plans being implemented. When it comes to ocean acidification and climate change issues, many places that face ocean warming are areas such as the polar ice caps and cooler regions such as Alaska. In the United States, however, there are many areas that are also facing these same dangers. The Chesapeake Bay borders many cities and towns along Maryland and Virginia. One area that could face larger issues due to this increasing danger is Annapolis, Maryland. Due to warmer temperatures, salt water in the Chesapeake will expand. This expansion already affects a currently sinking Maryland coastline. It is even forecast that an increase as much as 2.5 feet will be found in the Chesapeake Bay by 2050. And by the end of the century, that number could be 3.7 feet higher, according to scientists. Maryland coastlines are home to many people. Places such as Annapolis that have direct waterways connected to the Chesapeake will be greatly affected. Solutions are going to be put in place to combat a global event such as this, but it is very hard. Maryland County governments and other state departments have engaged with communities to help the issue, creating policies on stormwater waste management and help create studies to evaluate potential disaster locations and putting financial plans in place. Surveys are also being conducted to help educate those unfamiliar with the effects of climate change and how it affects the areas we live.